Welcome to part 3. Don't know why my camera's cut out on me. Don't know why that be happening. But it is now. And then, you have the gold, white, and red up on this one. And this one, you kind of have the white that's translucent to like bluish green and silver, along with the red. So, yeah. But this one, like I said, it's completely, while these two, they still have the pearl white in the center. This one's, still all red, translucent red, and this one has glitter in there. Like I said before, on these ones, they kind of remind me of the Unicorn Gundam from the Unicorn Gundam series, which there's only 3 Gundams that transform in that series. There's the Unicorn Gundam, there was the Banshee/Banshee Noir, and the only difference between the Banshee and Banshee Noir is, one was in the Noir mode, it had a big giant claw hand that it could just slip its letter hand into. And when it got destroyed or dropped the big giant hand claw, it dropped the name from Noir just back to Banshee. And then there was the Phoenix, which is actually Phoenix, but it's called Phoenix, or they pronounce it as Phoenix in Japan. It's really meant to be called the Phoenix Gundam, which never made an appearance in the show, which was kind of horrible that it never did show up in the show. They did have some toys. I don't think it was actually a standalone, series. They're not series, but like sub-side series. I believe that was just only in a manga in Japan. But now they are coming back with it. It's going to be Unicorn. I don't remember if it's Unicorn Gundam. I think it is Unicorn Gundam. Something else. Narrator. Venice Narrator or something. It's supposed to be like a sub-citation that we were supposed to get to coexist with it back when the show was actually airing, but they decided they didn't, so they were going to release it as a standalone series, which is actually a sub-side series. It's a little confusing, but if you've seen the Unicorn Gundam series and watched the Unicorn Gundam, which all 3 transformation mobile suits, Unicorn Gundam, Banshee/Noir, and Phoenix/Phoenix, kind of had the same gimmick thing with their new type destroy mode, or NTD for short. That, we had where it's originally was in the red mode, destroy mode, then it became, the bluish green destroy mode, where it turned from, I guess you could say, out of control evil Gundam to more in control good guy Gundam. And then this is like going full on Cycle Flame mode for the new type destroyer. So yeah, just wanted to get some of that out of the way to let you know what's happening, what's the difference between them and stuff. So yeah, let's get this all put together here. Oh yeah. So I think we actually came out with these ones first, which is American exclusive. Then it was the second one that Japan had that came out later on. So yeah, if you're wondering which came first, this came first, American exclusive. Then these came out after Japan, which Japan had these first. So yeah, a little unicorn history, the Beyblade history / Gundam unicorn history, because, why not? Both of them are unicorns! So, yeah. So let's show how Orpheus defense type, Hasbro exclusive, works. That was my bad. So let me just kind of get that in there. Actually, that is a pretty awesome bay right there. You see how it launched? You see how it gravitated towards the middle of the base stadium? And it actually felt like it did have some good amount of weight behind it. Well, not behind it. Actually, in it, to be more precise. And then we're going to show the defense type now switch over to a attack type. So, again, that launch was kind of bad. It kind of caught my finger there. So, let's relaunch again. Ugh. Don't know why the launch is messed up on me so much today. You know what? I'm swapping launches. Today, this Beyblade video during part 1, 2, and what is this, part 3 now that we're on, kind of been messing up and giving me problems. I think I got the unlucky unicorn this time, because all the other unicorns from UniCRESTS, super duper lucky. This one, oh, bad luck. You heard bad luck bears, bad luck unicorn. Oh yeah. So I don't really know why this one's starting to mess up on me. Because I really love this launcher. Yeah. As a attack type, it's horrible. It's garbage as an attack type. Defense type all the way. So let's do a little battle. Why not? It's a dual little pat. Booster pat. So let's just say, hey, let's do it. So I launched defense first, and attack type 1. Let's go attack type and then defense. Let's see if that changes anything. Yep. And let's go back to defense and attack to confirm and see if anything changed. Dang it. Wait. Oh my god, now this launcher doesn't want to go into the bay. Ay. This is just so freaking annoying now. Like I said, bad luck unicorn. This one, great for question purposes. Not so much for having fun with it. And unicorn wins again. So, I really don't know what's wrong with this one. I can understand it's probably the driver that's the worst thing about this one. Because, it doesn't really have that much surface, and then when it hits and wobbles a bit, it doesn't have that much surface area down here to actually stabilize itself. But this one, let it. Completely flat. This one's completely flat, while this one has a little rounded curvature to it. So that's why this one can't really grip it that much. It does take the sun and stay on, while this one, it is going all the way on the outer circumference of, the circle here. It still has a lot more surface area to do a better job, so. If you just want to spin it by itself, this one actually has a lot more weight to it. Actually, let me feel them. Yeah, this one, it definitely has more weight to it than this one, but you can see the attack type, defense renamed attack type beat this one, so yeah. So yeah, that has been the unboxing review of Hasbro's Beyblade Burst Evolution Dual Booster Pack Orpheus O2 D10 TD01 Defense Type Orpheus Arm Defense, and UNiCRESTS D14 TA07 UNiCRESTS U2 Attack Type, which is UNiCRESTS Unite Mass or Arm. What the heck was this? Jade. I always want to say Accel because that kind of reminds me almost of the Accel driver, but yeah, it's Jade. Yeah. Remember to rate, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.